this meeting I'm going to talk about interactive whiteboard. Before I start, I will have some preparation.
See, the meeting is boring, right? Nobody is even listening to him.
So there are a few advantages for our interactive whiteboard. The first one is 10 points multi-touch interactive. So do you guys see any other advantages? Can you please highlight here?
After using the whiteboard, everyone puts their attention in the meeting and busy taking down their own note.
So these are the 6 points that I summarized for the meeting, and I have sent you all through your respective emails for the minutes of meeting, so do refer them out. Thank you for your time.
Interactive whiteboard is so convenient to use during the meeting, right? What are you waiting for? Come and grab one for yourself.